How to create professional double exposure effects in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on double exposure from the home screen. Now, choose your main image from the gallery that you want to use as the base for the effect. Once the image opens, Photoleap will automatically blend it with its default image. You can tap on the default image to replace it with another from the built-in library. For a more professional look, use the eraser or restore tools to remove or bring back parts of the top image, creating a cleaner, layered effect. Take your time to experiment and fine-tune every detail until you are happy with the final double exposure result. Once you are done, tap the save icon at the top right corner to export your professionally edited photo or share it directly from the app. And that's it. Now you know how to create professional double exposure effects in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.